Hi there, warm welcome. You watching the Election Premier League with me, Meghna Deka. Well, first up, let's just tell you, just at a time when the dust around Sam Pitroda's racist views are yet to settle down for the Congress party, Manishankar Aiyar, who manages to land the Congress in trouble in every election season, has struck again with his boundless love for Pakistan. In fact, just 3 weeks back, he gave an interview to a YouTube channel, a portion of which is now going viral. Like they say, old habits die hard. Well, the controversy is around this Congress leader this time around, where he couldn't stop himself from heaping praise on his favorite mulk, which is Pakistan. He said Pakistan is a sovereign nation which must be treated with respect. Not only must India open talks with Pakistan, it must also do so respectfully, instead of holding a muscular policy against Pakistan. Listen in.
ये कि वो भी एक सॉवरेन मुल्क है और कि उनकी भी इज्जत है और उस इज्जत को कायम रखते हुए आप उनसे जितनी कड़ी बात करना चाहते हो करो, लेकिन बात तो करो। बंदूक को लेकर आप घूम रहे हो, उनके एटम बॉम्ब है।
ये भी है।
लेकिन यदि आपने उनसे बात की, उनको इज्जत अफजाया, तो तभी जाकर वो अपने बम के बारे में नहीं सोचेंगे। मस्कुलर पॉलिसी, यदि आपके मसल्स हों और उनके मसल्स ना हों, मैंने अभी आपको बता दिया है, वो जो हकीकत हम सबको पता है कि मसल्स उनके कहूटा में पड़े हुए हैं।
Well, Times Now is the only channel to confront Manishankar Aiyar. In fact, my colleague and Times Now senior editor Pranesh Kumar Roy asked him a simple question. Why does he always cheer for Pakistan? What do you think he said? Let's listen.
Mr. Aiyar, why do you always cheer Pak?
I don't want to talk to you.
No, that's okay, but why do you always cheer Pak?
I am in the middle.
I know, sir. Will you condemn Pakistan, Mr. Aiyar? Will you condemn Pakistan? Mr. Aiyar, why do you always cheer Pak?
I don't want to talk to you.
No, that's okay, but why do you always cheer Pak?
I am in the middle.
I know, sir. Will you condemn Pakistan, Mr. Aiyar? Will you condemn Pakistan?
In fact, it seems like one section of the Congress party is now tasked with the duty of only distancing themselves and the party from these controversial remarks coming in from senior leaders. And remember, these are senior leaders who are very close to the Gandhi Parivar. In fact, while Amit Shah on one hand put the Congress on the mat over Manishankar Aiyar's respect Pakistan remark, the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge has tried to distance himself. Watch this.
मणिशंकर जी वो अपना बात रखे हैं, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान से तो 100 गुना मजबूत है। देश के लिए हम सब मिलके रहेंगे।
आज मणिशंकर अय्यर हमें धमकी दे रहे हैं, देश को धमकी दे रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान को सम्मान दीजिए, उनके पास एटॉमिक बॉम्ब है। मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी और इंडिया अलायंस वालों को कहना चाहता हूं, पाक ऑक्यूपाई कश्मीर भारत का है, इसको कोई नहीं छीन सकता, भारत से कोई नहीं छीन सकता।
Well, let me go across to our panelists. Joining us today on the show, Shaina NC, a spokesperson with the BJP. Kamruzaman Chaudhary is also joining us, a political analyst. Mr. Chaudhary, I'm going to come to you first because we all fail to understand, and perhaps the BJP is getting this ammunition served to it on a silver platter. But why would topmost leaders of the Congress party, those who are known to be very close to the Gandhi Parivar, pick the peak election season to come out with statements like this, like respect Pakistan? Has the Congress and its leaders completely lost track of how the people on the ground are feeling?
Megha, first and foremost, my party has already distanced itself from the statement of Mr. Manishankar Aiyar. This is an irresponsible statement made a few months ago, though, but still then caught up by the ecosystem just today itself. I don't know what is the motive, ulterior motive of
Mr. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, I'm sorry to interrupt, but it's not enough to say that we distance ourselves. We all know that he is very close to the Gandhi Parivar. So was Sam Pitroda, even mentors of Rahul Gandhi. They trained him in politics. Not enough to say we distance ourselves. Has action been taken? Why has no action been taken? Sam Pitroda continues to be a member of the Congress party. Perhaps after elections, he may even join back or return to his post. of the chief of Indian Overseas Congress.
You must not have been born that time. What time Indira Gandhi made Pakistan into two parts, just because it dared to raise its finger against India, and that's the legacy of the Congress Party. The Congress Party has lost two of its ex-prime ministers to terrorist attacks in India.
So has Congress lost the spark? More of a reason that Congress should be patriotic right now and fight against the enemies of India.
There cannot be a more nationalistic party than the Congress Party. If I speak of the Bharatiya Janata Party, less the better. Because the way the Ladakh has been taken away by China.
Well, you'd rather speak about the BJP. Let me then go across to Shaina. She can speak about the BJP. You don't want to talk about the Congress. You don't want to talk about why Sam Pitroda till date continues to be in the Congress Party. Why the Gandhis are silent on Manishankar Aiyar. Shaina, come in. Perhaps you can speak. Mr. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, I'll come back to you. You've had your say. Let's listen to Shaina now.
Manishankar Aiyar, I mean, how ridiculous is this? Manishankar Aiyar is a repeat offender. Every time he makes a comment, it only gets worse. He talks about respecting Pakistan. The whole world is in cahoots to collaborate with these kind of terror outfits, which are called insulating ISIS, insulating all kinds of terror movements, and you talk about respecting Pakistan. I mean, really get your act together, Mr. Manishankar Aiyar, because this is the strongest Prime Minister India has ever had, and he has given Pakistan a befitting reply wherever they have tried to mess around with us and our security. The first time ever the agenda has been set by the Honorable Prime Minister, and there you have Mr. Manishankar Aiyar talking utter nonsense to say respect Pakistan because they have nuclear weapons. I mean, India is not going to be bulldozed or bullied by anybody.
But Shaina, the Congress is saying that this is not their viewpoint. It is Manishankar Aiyar who said it, and we've distanced ourselves.
All the is distancing enough? Tomorrow, if any of our top leaders in BJP say something and the Prime Minister says he's distanced himself, do you still not hold BJP in the dock or question the leader in contention? I want to ask that every time Mr. Manishankar Aiyar has made these preposterous comments in the past, in the present, in the future, it shows you that the Congress is only interested in appeasement politics. It is only interested in Tushtikaran. And this goes from Pakistan to the Muslims in India to their own Nyay Patra, what they call Nyay Patra as a manifesto, or even their tall decisions.
Okay. Okay, so you are saying that this is appeasement which has always governed the Congress and its policies and what their top leaders are saying. And since you were talking about what all he has said earlier, let's remind our viewers, this is in 2015. Remember when Manishankar Aiyar had travelled across to Pakistan, and these are the statements that he made about India, about the elected Prime Minister of India in Pakistan from foreign soil. Listen in.
अभी क्या करने की जरूरत है इंडिया पाकिस्तान को ताकि ये इम्पैक्ट खत्म?
पहले तो मोदी को निकालो,
पूरे मोदी को
नहीं तो बात आगे बढ़ने वाली नहीं है। और जब भी बात आगे बढ़ती है,
लेकिन आप आईएसआई से कह रहे हैं, किससे कह रहे हैं कि मोदी को निकालो? आपने निकाला है?
नहीं, मेरा ये कहना है कि हमें 4 साल और इंतजार करना होगा। ये सब बड़े ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हैं कि मोदी साहब के रहते हुए हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, मुझको नहीं लगता है।
And this is 2015, remember. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, is this still the Congress's point? Because many would say from 2015, now we are sitting in 2024, this man continues to make statements like this. If the Congress disagreed with it, then why not say it? Not enough to just distance.
Yeah, Megha, just permit me 1 minute of your time, please. I'm requesting you. I believe all your memories are so short, you know. On 13th of May 2014, why was the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Nawaz Sharif, invited to India? Why did Narendra Modi ji, as the Prime Minister of independent India, visit Pakistan on Nawaz Sharif's birthday? What was cooking out there to have biryani in Pakistan? This is the relationship that even India wants with its neighbor. But after Narendra Modi government came out here, there was an entire harakiri of foreign policy. External Affairs Ministry has committed blunders after blunders with our neighbors like Nepal, with Maldives, with Sri Lanka, or with Bangladesh. Bangladesh, even we have got now boycott Indian goods. So this is the muhim that
Sir, what are you talking?
So you are
external
saying
effort-
that it's
Your
okay to give
party
respect
has-
to Pakistan?
your
Is that your
party
stand,
has-
Kamruzzama Chaudhary?
I'm not, giving respect to any country is out of question. That to a country like Pakistan. But why can't you speak in equal terms with China?
So you want
who is
talks with
occupied?
Pakistan? Perhaps
Of course,
Doklam is
why
one of the
not?
reasons, but we are
No,
not going to
no,
digress
Megha-
across to
Megha-
China and why we can't have talks with China
because
on
it
that
does not
matter.
suit your
But with
agenda,
Pakistan,
Megha, I know if you have talks with your neighbors and find out a solution, what's wrong in that?
so you
Do
want
to
talks
go to
with
war?
Pakistan?
Do you want to go to
Is that a
war?
yes? You
Or
want
is that
talks with Pakistan
grandstanding
for a
or
solution?
chest thumping? Just chest thumping doesn't help in the
Kamruzzama
external
Chaudhary, do
affairs.
you want talks with Pakistan?
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
So at least you are accepting that you and Manishankar Iyer are speaking the same language then, China
It's
NC.
not the point. It's not the point.
China.
Manishankar Iyer ji said that we should be afraid of Pakistan because it is a nuclear country. That's not the
And
point
you
out
said,
here.
let's respect
That's not
every
the
nation.
point.
You are saying the
No,
same
that's
thing.
not the
China.
point.
Do you see a difference? Do you see a difference from what Manishankar Iyer saying, Kamruzzama Chaudhary are saying? And
Look-
is it right, the accusation that this is inherently what Congress wants?
You know, Congress just wants appeasement politics. This is what they've done for the past 60 years. They have kept certain vote banks intact. And as you say, they live in the Mughal hangover. They have made these kind of comments time and again. I want to just say that if Manishankar Iyer wants to respect Pakistan, go, do your leadership there. Be a part of a country which insulates terror and terror activities. And here you have a prime minister who is strong enough to make sure that infiltrators are giving a befitting reply. We have, whether it's a CA, NRC or a UCC in the days to come, a policy on our neighbors when it comes to defense experts, when it comes to external policies, external affairs ministry. We are very clear, nobody can mess around with India and India's
But China,
dignity and
Kamruzzama
India's
was saying that the
security,
Prime
more
Minister bhi gaye the
importantly.
biryani
This
khane ke liye.
so-called
We
pyar
all
for
want good
Pakistan
relations
is nothing but
with our neighbors.
appeasement. It is only appeasement. You want good relations, Megha, when the relation is reciprocated. You don't want a relationship where you have people bombing your country and our Jawans giving life and sacrificing their lives for security. The Prime Minister has the guts to give a befitting answer to Pakistan. Manishankar Iyer need not worry about India's safety security. Honorable Modi ji has ensured that for every attack there is a counter-attack
Can I
and there
have-
is
can I have 30 seconds,
the
please?
sanctity of keeping the dignity of our armed forces and those soldiers that lose lives to
Right.
outfits that are only protecting terror.
Right.
And Pakistan
you have 10
is
seconds,
nothing short of a
Kamruzzama
terror
Chaudhary. If
state.
you
So
have
where's the
anything to
question
answer
of
that this is
respect?
appeasement politics, anything that you can answer, Kamruzzama Chaudhary?
Yes, of course. Let me just cite you in very short time the relationship with Malaysia. During the Zakir Naik episode, India banned all import of palm oil from Malaysia. What happened? Adani's the cooking oil jumped up from 80 rupees to 200 rupees out here in India. After 7 to 8 months, India had to
Having
withdraw
said
its
that,
boycott
India is not
of
really
import
importing
of palm
cooking oil from
Now the
Pakistan.
point-
Only thing that we have
No,
imported,
no.
unfortunately,
Megha, you
from
are
Pakistan
missing-
has
you are
been
missing-
terror. That
you
is
are
the
missing the
largest
entire bigger
exporter of
point
terror
out
has
here.
been Pakistan. That's the only thing that has been exported to
you
India
have
from there.
missed
So this is
everything
apples and
out
oranges. Unfortunately, we're running out of time. Thank you so much, Kamruzzama Chaudhary, however, for joining us, as well as Shaina NC for being here on the show. This is, of course, one of the big questions we'll continue to answer. Why are the Gandhis still mum about it? If they disagree, then why not come out, condemn, and even take action against Manishankar Iyer and the likes of Sam Pitroda? That has not happened. Well, with that, a quick break. Don't go anywhere.